Good morning again, boys and girls. This is the math class. This is where we go over the dot cards and something about the math that we need to go over. Everything's going to be a little different from here on, so here we go. Remember, you don't have to raise your hand because you're not in the class right now, but please look at the dots and just take a little camera and quickly tell me how many dots do you see. Ready? How many dots do you see? 10. That was a hard one, right? It's Monday. How many dots do you see? Yes, 0. How many dots do you see? Yes, 1. Good. You're waking up. How many dots do you see? 5. How many dots do you see? 2. Okay. How many dots do you see? 8. Very good. How many dots do you see? 4. How many dots do you see? 9. Very good. How many dots do you see? 3. Excellent. How many dots do you see? 7. Very good. How many dots do you see? 6. Very good. If you practice these dots every day, because you have a set of these at home, you will be better and better and better. And that makes it excellent. So, sorry for taking so long, but this is improvised and very organic. So, I'm using a felt board today, and we're going to go over some of the shapes. The two-dimensional shapes that you should know by now. If you do not know these shapes, this is where you need to practice, practice, practice. Because you need to take these shapes in your head into kindergarten. Ready? My first one is a square. A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. They're all the same measurement. But I also have a circle. A circle doesn't have sides. Okay? Now let's go over this one. This one is the triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Some triangles have the same measurement size and some don't. But it doesn't matter. As long as it has 3 sides, it's considered a triangle. We also have some of you forget this one. Remember what I said before? A square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle cannot be a square. So this is a rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides, but it's not the same as a square. It has only 2 sides that are equal or perpendicular. We also learned about the oval. An oval looks like a circle, but if you notice, it is not the same. An oval has a shape a little wider. We said it looks like an egg, right? Or 0. I also have the crescent. A crescent is what you have in many of the things that you see every day. You can also see it up in the sky. You guys call it exactly, the moon. Up there with that shape of crescent or the moon is the other shape. Star. Yes, a star can have many sides as you see here. The typical one has 5. Some have more if you start looking at sea stars. Okay? And I have a heart. Heart also is a shape. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a shape of something and you're going to go over with me. Alright, randomly. This is an egg. An egg has the shape of a, exactly, oval. The tire of a car has the shape of a, very good, square, circle. Well, what about this one? This is a door. Oops, put it upside down. And the door has the shape of a, yes, very good, a rectangle. The clock sometimes comes in the shape of a square. Very good. Oh, I feel so hungry. I'm going to eat something called a brownie. This fruit, I've never tasted this one before, but it has a shape of, yes, it's a kiwi. A kiwi has the shape of a oval. Very good. I love food. If you didn't notice, here is the shape of a, yes, it's pizza. What's the shape of this pizza? A triangle. Oop, I lost my button. This button has the shape of a circle. Yum, yum, yum. Yes, chocolate. Chocolate what? Hearts. Very good. This is another food. Yes, a croissant. A croissant is the shape of a crescent. Very good. Now, I've seen this before, but have you seen this before? I don't know what it's called in English, but I know it's called in Spanish carambola. And carambola is a tropical fruit. This is yellow inside and it's green inside, outside, and it's the shape of a star. Well, since that was yellow, let's put this one. A banana. The banana has the shape of what? Crescent. Crescent. Well, let's see if you like this one. Yes, it's a heart. It's actually a donut in the shape of a heart. Look at this one. Isn't this yes, a star. It's a sea star. Nice shape. Very good. How about this one? Yeah, it's a pine cone and it's the shape of a oval. Oh, I want to play games. Yes, these games are called what? They have the shape of a square. I brought my eraser. Yes, the eraser has the shape of a rectangle. Very good. When you get older in math, you're going to use this kind of ruler. This ruler is the shape of a, exactly, triangle. Have you ever seen these? Yes, these are called CDs or compact discs. And this one is a CD and it has the shape of a circle. How about this sign? This traffic sign is very important. Many people don't follow it. Yes, it has the shape of a triangle. The sign says yield. It's like almost stopping in an intersection when there are cars coming. You know, some people have to yield. Some people don't like to. We have, yes, a brick wall. Let me see. A brick wall. This one is the shape of a rectangle. Very good. I still have more. Oh, look at that. A box of chocolates, like the ones they give on Valentine's Day. Well, this one is a heart shape, right? Have you ever seen this? I've seen them on clothes. I've seen them on pillows. I'm wondering if it's a pillow. It has the shape of what? We said before, crescent. Very good. And I have another one of these that's called a star. Very good. Very good. Now I'm going to continue with some other two-dimensional shapes. Give me 1 second. Don't move.